When it comes to enhancing the beauty, comfort, and functionality of your home in Sumter, installing awning windows can be a game changer. These unique window designs offer a variety of benefits that make them a popular choice for homeowners looking to maximize ventilation, natural light, and energy efficiency. Here's a closer look at why you should consider installing awning windows in your Sumter home. Maximized ventilation with weather protection. One of the most significant advantages of awning windows is their ability to provide optimal ventilation without sacrificing protection from the elements. Unlike traditional windows that open sideways, awning windows open outward from the bottom, forming an awning that shields the interior of your home from rain or wind. This design allows for fresh air to flow into your home even during light showers, ensuring that your space remains well ventilated while keeping water and debris out. This is especially beneficial in Sumter, where warm, humid weather is common. Awning windows allow homeowners to enjoy the cooling benefits of a breeze without worrying about the unpredictable weather conditions. Whether you want to let in the crisp air during a rainstorm or ensure your home remains fresh during the summer months, awning windows offer a practical and reliable solution. Enhanced energy efficiency. Energy efficiency is a priority for many Sumter homeowners, especially as energy costs continue to rise. Awning windows can help reduce heating and cooling costs, contributing to a more energy-efficient home. Their tight seal when closed ensures minimal air leakage, preventing drafts and maintaining your home's internal temperature. In addition, the ability to open these windows just slightly, even in rainy conditions, means that you can let in natural ventilation without relying on air conditioning. During cooler months, this can significantly reduce the need for artificial cooling, making your home more energy efficient and cost-effective in the long run. Improved privacy and security. The awning windows offer a unique advantage when it comes to privacy and security. Because these windows open outward and are typically installed higher up on the wall, they make it difficult for passers-by to see inside your home. This provides an extra layer of privacy, especially in areas where you may have neighbors or busy streets nearby. Additionally, awning windows can enhance the security of your home. Since they open outward, it's more challenging for intruders to gain access through the window compared to traditional horizontally opening windows. This makes awning windows a great choice for ground floor installations, especially in areas of your home that are more vulnerable to break-ins. Aesthetic appeal and design flexibility. Awning windows are available in a variety of sizes and styles, allowing homeowners to create a unique and aesthetically pleasing look for their home. These windows can be installed as standalone features or combined with other window types to complement your home's architecture. Their sleek, modern design can enhance the curb appeal of your home, whether you live in a historic property or a contemporary new build. In addition to their visual appeal, awning windows can be positioned to take advantage of specific views or natural lighting. Whether you want to frame a scenic backyard view or let in more sunlight, the flexibility of awning windows ensures you can achieve the perfect look for your home's interior and exterior. Low maintenance and durability. When it comes to home improvement, ease of maintenance is always a consideration. Awning windows are designed for durability and long-lasting performance, requiring minimal upkeep compared to other window types. Their outward opening mechanism is less prone to the accumulation of dirt and debris, making them easier to clean and maintain. Moreover, awning windows are typically made from high-quality materials, such as vinyl, fiberglass, or aluminum, which are resistant to rot, warping, and corrosion. This durability ensures that your windows will remain in great condition for years, even in Sumter's humid climate. Great for small and tight spaces. If your home has small or hard-to-reach areas where conventional windows might not fit, awning windows are a perfect solution. Their design makes them ideal for installation in spaces such as basements, bathrooms, or kitchens, where space is limited. Even in these compact areas, awning windows can provide excellent ventilation and natural light, without taking up valuable room or making the space feel cramped. Conclusion: awning windows are an excellent choice for Sumter homeowners seeking to enhance their home's functionality, aesthetic appeal, and energy efficiency. Their unique design provides numerous benefits, including better ventilation, privacy, and protection from the elements. With minimal maintenance and a range of customizable options, awning windows can make a lasting improvement to your home. Whether you're building a new home or upgrading your current windows, consider adding awning windows to enjoy the full range of advantages they offer.